Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to use model from our library that have the texture of stone, like how I show you on the screen now. Okay, so if you go to Aihouse to search for the stone texture, okay, you can just go on to our cloud library. So under cloud library you just type out stone texture background. Okay, so we have one model that is similar to the reference photo just now. Okay, you can use this one. Just drag and drop to your wall. Okay, so you will see there's line in the center of the stone texture. Okay, but no worries, later when you render, the line will not be visible. Okay, so if you use this texture and then you want to resize, as usual, you can just drag and drop to your wall or anywhere you want to use the texture, and then to resize you can just simply press C and then you resize. Okay, so this one is up to you lah, how to resize and how to adjust the sizing and stuff. Okay, and then if you want to test out the render, okay, this is one of the example where I use that texture. Okay, here is the product that come out from the library, the cloud library. Okay, right. Another way for you to use the texture is you can search for stone texture 3D warehouse. Okay, just search for stone texture 3D warehouse. So here we have a lot of model that you can upload into Aihouse. Okay, this is the one that is similar. Okay, when you click on it, the page will be this one. Okay, so you can use this model as well, or you can use directly model from our library. Okay, I will provide you the link where you can have the texture from the 3D warehouse and how you upload the model by using our video tutorial from Aihouse. Alright, so that is all from me. Thank you.